Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In continuation with the pack with me for Jamaica, get ready with me for Jamaica, preparing with me for Jamaica for Christmas videos. In today's video I will be doing another haul of some of the other essentials that I pack to take to Jamaica. Yeah, so we have a charger with the car adapter attached, you know, for the car, because you know you're going to be on the road a lot, so you need that. Of course, sunscreen. I have two types of sunscreen, you know, two types of sunscreen here. We have a La Roche-Posay one and banana boat, you know, old school regular banana boat. As you can see, I bleach my hair, so I'm going to need this blonde light to keep maintenance, toothbrushes, a milk frother, not for me, for the other two. We have wipes, like I mentioned in the other video. We have wipes, very convenient, very handy to have with you when you're traveling. I also have this solar powered portable charger that I'm going to also bring along with me. I have a flashlight because we already know it's Jamaica. The power likes to go out, so you need things like this. So I'm bringing that with me as well. Of course, lotions, body wash, body scrub. This is that Tree Hut brand. Then there's this after sun gel, just in case Terrence gets sunburnt. Then we also have mosquito repellent. We have this type, and we have this whole box of these types. Let me show you. These, I like these. This, if you can see it, hold on. It's like the little wristlet or anklet, wherever you want to put it, you could put it. It's like the little stretchy thing, and put on their arms, on their legs. And this one's essential oil infused, keep mosquito away. It's my first time trying this brand, so I'm gonna see if it works. This is a box, I think, of 20. This is a huge box. We'll be out there for a little while, so we're gonna need it. Of course, for electronics, memory cards, we need memory cards. More portable chargers, because getting it to charge. This is a portable fan. Yeah, portable fan is, I need to charge it, but it also does charging too. We also have disposable straws or reusable straws. This is a 14 pack, and it comes with the cleaners. Reason I'm traveling with this is because, as you know, when you go to restaurants and stuff out there, so if you go to KFC or Juicy Beef or something, they give you that paper straw, and they always fall apart. So I like to have some of these with us so that we can easily have access to that. Also, part of traveling with kids, a whole first aid kit. I'll also add extra painkillers and stuff like that in my bag. And these just actually came in from Amazon. This is a 4-pack of like the phone, you know, that thing for your phone to put it in so you can go in the water. Yep, so this a 4-pack just came in from Amazon. But that's just some more additional stuff that I'll be adding to my my luggage. So now let me go pack my luggage, or rearrange my suitcases, because I have to spread this stuff out into 2 suitcases. So let's go do that right now. So anyways, as I said, welcome back guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys watching the video so far. But while you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. And thank you guys.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, I'm falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together.